Welcome. In front of me I have Meizu M6T, and today I will show you how easy you can remove tempered glass from your screen. So at the first I can recommend you to start from one of the edge, for example from this one. And we have to put our fingernail underneath this tempered glass. So just do it simply, put it like that. As you can see, the air is coming under the tempered glass. Right now we can just start leave it a little bit. And then we can put a second finger. Remember to do it slowly, to don't break the glass. And as you can see, after a few moments, the tempered glass was removed. Right now we can clean our screen and we can easily use it. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!